we're gonna make some sausages
and hamburgers.
And yeah, let's get started. So, you get one. So this is just like McDonald's, and because there's a hamburger there, there's lots of different kinds of things. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, so we opened all of the colours. I'm gonna do the tomato. Oh, look at this cool Playdoh. It's brown.
They like an ice.
Okay, we have brown here. Let's pop it. Oh, well, this Playdoh is cool. Okay, let's do it in a bowl. I think I'm gonna use this much will be okay.
It's come out. It's gonna come out.
Squeeze, 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 squeeze.
Look, it's coming out.
They stick it inside the barbecue, guys. Oh, and the background, there's other types of background as well. You're not doing a fresh round, you're doing a sausage. Alex, you're doing a sausage. Wait, no. Alex, you made cheese. Oh, that's so cool.
Whoa! Whoa, look at this.
Look, Alex, look, do broken, look. Get a little hole inside, look. Guess what, look. Look, guys. My little princess. Oh, look, it's a cake. You made a cake. I made my tomato.
Let me make the hamburger. Let me pour hamburger.
This.
Hamburger here.
This. I'm throwing Alex's sausage. Guys, I made my beautiful hamburger. It's right here. Here's your meal. Okay. I made my beautiful hamburger. Now to make this sausage.
Look!
Beautiful.
My eye!
You really have to be careful with that Play-Doh. Okay. Sausage. Sausage. I'm doing a proper sausage. Alex!
Dale.
Alex, mapikata tempura. Mapik.
This is a hamburger.
Okay, Alex, stop that.
Look, guys.
Okay, wait, I've got something. Tomato ketchup.